Hello guys and welcome to my YouTube channel Blender Ustad. Today we are going to add holes in an object without adding geometry. So normally when we make holes in an object, it make a lot of geometry, it make a lot of fully, and it make the object very high fully. But today we are going for a way which make it very optimized for game engine. So we don't need it to edit geometry, we will directly edit in texture, and the results will be very similar to adding it in mesh, and the result will be really good, something like this. So the video is going to be really informative, so watch it till the end and let's get started. Before starting the video, I want to tell you that I have listed some of the top graphics card for rendering in the description, so all of the links are in the description, so make sure to check it out after this video. So first of all, shift A and add a plane. So this is the object in which we will add holes. So we need to go to the shading because we are going to add it in texture. So let's make a new material with new, and let's make it here. We just need one texture. Okay, so the texture will be something like this. The holes will be transparent, something like this. So you can easily make this in Photoshop, or if you search in Google you will also found it there. Just search for like holes transparent PNG or something like this and you will get this image. So but make sure if it doesn't work, then it's mean the image doesn't have the transparency. Okay, so if you didn't find a good one, just make it simply in Photoshop and try it. So then we will go here and we will press Ctrl T to make the texture nodes and the mapping node. So if you don't get this, it means like the node wrangler add-on isn't turned on. So go to the edit preference and search for an add-on called node wrangler. So node wrangler add-ons allow you to vary node features, which will be very helpful. So the one feature is this, like when you click on the principal node and press Ctrl T, so you will get these nodes. So now just open up our textures. So my texture is in this folder, this one, and if you see you will get something like this. So just we need to select all these and shift D to duplicate it and grab it somewhere around there, and connect this one, the color one, to the alpha, and also click on this one to make a duplicate of this one, so that when you change this one to non-color, the other one will be still sRGB. Okay, so we need the first one to get the color data and the second one to get the transparency data. Okay, so one more thing we need to add is to shift A and add a color node to control the white and black values. Okay, something like this. And now still we don't get the holes because the settings, the material setting, we need to change the material settings a bit. So let's change the blend mode from the default one to alpha clip. Okay, so we get something like this. So it's a kind of like inverted. Okay, so we need to invert it. For that there is two methods. First of all, if you press the shift A and search for invert, so you can use this method, like just simply add it here and you will get the invert. And if not, you can also do it something like this, grab this one to the middle and this one to this side, and you will pretty much get this thing. So as you can see, we can change the value something like this and we get the holes. Okay, so this was for the video. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you really learn something, make sure to give me a thumbs up and also subscribe for supporting me. So for now, bye.